Just a tip, having a regular manicure and pedicure can improve your well-being.
Kailangan ko na mag-polish.
Hi, I'm Miss B, your ambush interviewer about art, brand, and culture in the City of Love. Nails are a protective plate made of rigid protein found at the tip of the fingers or toes. Our nail serves as support for our fingers, protecting them from injury and helping us pick small objects. It can also prevent virus and bacteria from entering the body. Healthy natural nails are usually pinkish to skin color. Clear pale nails can be a sign of poor nutrition, white a sign of diabetes, yellow fungal infection, red heart disease, poor oxygen, black, brown, gray, green. You should check with your medical professional. That's why it is important to regularly clean our nails. And yes, it includes you, darling.
Yung mga veils bang?
Manicure and pedicure.
Mani-Pedi goes beyond aesthetics. It promotes healthy blood circulation as you will receive a massage in your arms, lower legs, and feet. It can boost nail health, for exfoliation during session encourages new cell growth, leaving your nails stronger. And Mani and Pedi can improve your well-being.
Anong feeling, sir? Tatlo ka ladies nag-cater gid sa gimo nga mga kuko.
Nami ini, ang feeling bala nga wala lang minabatyagan. Ang service daan nga no brand nila is parang ano lang gate daan ga-relax lang. Wala ka minabatyagan nga sakit, wala ka minabatyagan nga kalalam or something maka-disturb la sa mga relaxation. So nami it is.
Pampering yourself with a manicure and pedicure after a stressful day can free your mind from any tension, boosting your mental health. To all ladies out there, treat your man for a Mani and Pedi session in Just the Tip, a manly designed nail salon located at Balsi 2020 L98 Street, Haro, Iloilo City. Having a partner with positive well-being like our nails will serve as support and protection, helping us all the days of our life.
So, mas type mo siya. The glossy lang si sir. Oh, wala pa. May kampa ko.
Just a tip.